Hello students, let's try to understand the concept of Mendel dihybrid class student. That how can we study the Mendel dihybrid class student in these lectures. So here you see student, dihybrid cross means that is the cross or hybridization of the two different color. A breeding experiment detail with the two characters at the same time is called dihybrid cross. Monohybrid cross means one characters. Now, in one such cross, Mendel considered the shape as well as color of the seed simultaneously. He selected pure line plant and that cross pollinated. Flower raised from the seed of the round shape and yellow color with those from the wrinkle seed and green color. So that is round yellow and wrinkle green. Mendel observed that F1 generation all seed had the features of only one parent type, that is round shape and yellow color. He raised plant from F1 generation seed and allowed the flower to self-pollinate to produce seed in F2 generation. These flowers were kept covered from the beginning. In F2 generation, Mendel observed in appearance of four types of combination. These included two parental type, round shape and yellow colored seeds, and wrinkle shape and green colored seed, and two new combination, round shaped and green colored seed and wrinkle shaped yellow colored seed. The latter were produced approximately same proportion. The hybrid cross is depicted in figure. So what is there? Here a round yellow, and that is what? That is wrinkled green. This is going to be wrinkled green. So that is what is color coming, student? Round yellow is all came. After in F2 generation, self pollination. So what they are saying, student, plant with round yellow colored seed, that is parental combination. This is the new combination, and 32 is again parental combination. Up now, out of how much they are talking about? Out of they are talking about, that is out of 1000 seats they have selected, student. So they got this much. Now students, you see the conclusion. Based on the finding the monohybrid and dihybrid crosses, Mendel concluded that in monohybrid cross only one of two contrasting color traits appear in F1 generation. However, in F2 generation, both the parental traits appear in certain proportion. In dihybrid cross, when two contrasting pair traits were considered simultaneously, only one parental combination appear in F1 generation. However, in F2 generation raised by self-pollination, four combination of traits appear. These include two parental traits and two new combination approximately same proportion. What is the Mendel interpretation? On the basis of monohybrid and dihybrid cross, Mendel postulated first one. There are a pair of unit factor controlling each character in pea plant, one inherited from each parent. Mendel considered these factors as the carriers of heredity information from one generation to another, from parent to offspring. At the time of reproduction, when gametes are formed, these factors segregate so that each gametes receive only one factor of each character. This is called law of segregation. Fertilization brings these two factors again together in the offspring. What is the second point? In F1 generation, only one character was expressed. Mendel called his dominant character. The character which was not expressed are termed as recessive character. The phenomena of appearance of only one of two contrasting in F1 generation is termed as dominance. Term as dominant. The characters are not lost even when they are not expressed. When F1 offspring were allowed to be self-pollinated, both the parental trait were expressed in definite proportion in F2 generation. Based on above postulation, monohybrid cross can be depicted as in figures. Okay. So male pea plant round, and that is this green pea plant is wrinkled seeds, small r. So in the first generation, that is capital R small r. All pea plants are round seeds. But if you are talking about in the second generation, it is coming what? 3:1 student. This is the 3:1. So this is all about the answer student. Thank you so much for watching here. Thank you students.